Okay, it's just finally done. Two-door T49F, true T49F. All new suction line, liquid line. Everything's new here except for the condenser coil. Everything's new. Unistrut secured down with stainless 1/4 by 1/2 inch long bolts, lock washers, washers, fender washers. Same original size dryer, so the charge should be pretty darn close to the original charge. Cushion clamps for the 1/4 inch right here, so the dryer's rock solid. Everything got clearance between here. Got clearance. So we got our suction and discharge up there, all secured up, all nice and stout. Wiring's all done here, ready to hook up to here, secured down. New suction pressure regulator, new compressor, and new condenser fan motors. So nice little rebuild, that's for sure. This is all hooked up. All right, time to put it in.